What's up, everybody? I have an idea. So we've got 3D models of Danny and Robert, right? Do all kinds of stuff. They can do a little kick. Woo! Little kick. Good job. That's a oh. It's a real high kick. Arms move. Anyways, we got them rigged. I made faces for them, so their face is mapped on this 3D character. We've got this entire 3D character. Why just use it for the Danny and Robert show? So I grabbed some dance animation. I'm gonna throw that motion capture into Blender, film a little footage of the virtual reality lab, have a place to put them, and then I'm gonna walk on the frame, say some words. We're making tons of little commercials for the Danny and Robert show to just kind of break it up here and there. Let's get them dancing. Locking hip hop, here it is. All right, so there we go. Let's go ahead and retarget and let's see what it does. All right, so we have one of them dancing. Let's get Robert dancing. Robert blending out right now. He's obviously by himself, so I decided that the shadows were going to have to come separately because I'm rendering in a different engine. I've just got this clean plate. Nothing here, nothing changes, just a clean plate here. You may notice I'm not using a green screen. There's another method of removing yourself out of a background, and that's a difference matte. So we're just gonna do a difference matte. As you can see, this is my finished product. If you can use a green screen, probably use a green screen. Difference matte here, only some parts of me actually were cut out, and it's just the parts I needed. So just the parts like right here where Danny kind of cuts into my leg, kind of tries to do a kick on me, but for some reason I don't react. But again, I was just going for quick commercial. So, you know, this took like 2 hours at that maybe. Yep, so here I'll play the full clip now. I'm gonna go ahead and add music to it, and I hope you're enjoying the little commercials that we're making for you. So that's it for this video. Enjoy the final clip. I'll leave you guys alone for 2 seconds and you just start dancing. These guys, hardest workers in Eastern Kentucky. I tell you.